It's easy to feel lost when you've downloaded a movie or a show but you can't find it on your device. So let me show you how to fix this and how to enjoy downloads in no time. So first, check your Amazon Prime Video app. So open the app, you're going to tap on My Stuff or Library, and then look for the Downloads section. That's where your videos should be stored. Now, if it's not showing, make sure that you're logged into the correct account. Next, go on your phone or your tablet and go to your device's File Manager app. Look for a folder named Amazon or Prime Video. Sometimes downloads are saved over there. If you're using a computer, open the Amazon Prime Video app and click on Downloads from the menu. Now, this is a quick way to see all your downloads and your movies, showing up. Another tip, make sure that your app is updated. Sometimes, downloads don't show up because of outdated software. So finally, check if your storage settings is full. So, if it is, the download may not show properly. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Leave me a thumbs up for that bump I just caught. Love you. Ciao.